This is a farm-to-table experience. World's rarest teas in the world. We have taro and avocado and egg salad. Local eggs, local avocado on a taro bun. Then we have raisin bread, strawberry orange chicken salad, local oranges. Then we have asparagus and ham and goat cheese, a cucumber herb tea sandwich. And we have our tomato twiddle. That's tomato and cheddar cheese. It's a great way to sneak in a tomato for kids. Then for dessert, we have our scones. This is a lavender honey scone. Our fruit is a pineapple tomato, which is dipped in chocolate. I learned about this in Italy with my mom. And then we have our red velvet cake with a cream cheese drizzle. And we have a triple chocolate cake.